So I welcome you all to UIS, and my name is Saurabh Pandey. Let's discuss about this important topic.
An international team led by scientists at the University of Sydney has demonstrated nanowire networks can exhibit both short and long-term memory like the human brain. This work builds on the previous research in which they showed how nanotechnology could be used to build a brain-inspired electrical device with neural network-like circuitry and synapse-like signaling. The current work paves the way towards replicating brain-like learning and memory in non-biological hardware systems and suggests that the underlying nature of brain-like intelligence may be physical. Nanowire networks are a type of nanotechnology typically made from tiny, highly conductive silver wires that are invisible to the naked eye, covered in a plastic material. The wires mimic aspects of the networked physical structure of a human brain. Advances in nanowire networks could herald many real-world applications, such as improving robotics or sensor devices that need to make quick decisions in unpredictable environments. This nanowire network is like a synthetic neural network because the nanowires act like neurons, and the places where they connect with each other are analogous to synapses. Dr. Loeffler tried to demonstrate that nanowire networks exhibit some kind of cognitive function. To test the capabilities of the nanowire network, the researchers gave it a test similar to a common memory task used in human psychology experiments, called the NBAC task. For a person, the NBAC task might involve remembering a specific picture of a cat from a series of feline images presented in a sequence. An NBAC score of 7, the average for people, indicates the person can recognize the same image that appeared 7 steps back. When applied to the nanowire network, the researchers found it could remember a desired endpoint in an electric circuit 7 steps back, meaning a score of 7 in an NBAC test. They manipulated the voltages of the end electrodes to force the pathways to change, rather than letting the network just do its own thing. They forced the pathways to go where we wanted them to go. When implemented, its memory had much higher accuracy and didn't really decrease over time. Neuroscientists think this is how the brain works. Certain synaptic connections strengthen while others weaken, and that's thought to be how we preferentially remember some things, how we learn, and so on. The researchers said when the nanowire network is constantly reinforced, it reaches a point where that reinforcement is no longer needed because the information is consolidated into memory. Nanowire network can store up to 7 items in memory at substantially higher than chance levels without reinforcement training and near perfect accuracy with reinforcement training.
So I hope ये सेशन आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. Don't forget to subscribe UIS चैनल. ऐसे बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस के लिए UIS चैनल को जरूर से सब्सक्राइब करें.